Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start inside Edge and move straight to extensions. First, confirm your browser is up to date and you're in the profile you want to install into. This avoids permission surprises. Next, open the three-dot menu, choose Extensions, then Manage Extensions so you can control installs and permissions. If you plan to use Chrome Web Store items later, toggle Allow extensions from other stores. Do this now so the subsequent install steps are seamless and you don't interrupt the flow. Once done with the setup, search the Microsoft Edge add-ons site or the Chrome Web Store if you enabled it. Type the extension name and compare results. Make sure to read the description, ratings, and the permissions list. This explains what the extension can access and why. When ready, click Get or Add to Chrome, then confirm the permission prompt. Edge will download and install the extension. When it finishes, the icon appears in the toolbar or the Extensions menu, so you can proceed to configuration. Now finalize by pinning the extension to the toolbar for quick access, then open its options to set preferences like account sign-in, site access, or shortcuts. Configuring these ensures it behaves as you expect. Use Extensions manage extensions to update, disable, or remove an add-on when needed. If the extension doesn't appear or fails, restart Edge first, then clear cache and disable conflicting extensions. If problems persist, check that your profile or organizational policies aren't blocking installs and adjust accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.